how did it come that some religions have many kind of gods or different gods, as before in the beginning of religion all had only one god?
Who is asked?
This was asked by Mr. Chalda Mahmood. Chalda Mahmood.
Chalda Mahmood. Please sit down. There is no shadow of doubt that if any religion is true in the world, it has to be divinely revealed. And Islam believes that all religions were originally divinely revealed. No exception. Hinduism, Buddhism, whatever name you give to them, these religions, they were originally revealed by Allah Almighty, and later on an age of decadence set in. As they moved away from the time of their founders, they began to introduce many of their own willful thinkings in the religion, and began to differ with each other according to the Quran for their personal egotism as well. Many scholars wanted to establish their authority over others with reference to religion. So apparently they drew their authority from God, but they had no basis of drawing that authority at all. So they created differences in different sects. Ultimately, all religions were divided into so many sects. For instance, Christianity itself is now divided into about 700 sects. Muslims are divided into at least 72 sects, further subdivided into so many. So this is the unfortunate fate of everything that comes to the Creator. With the passage of time, it goes through a decay and gets segmented into fractions.